This woman is very upset. We think you should hear her story. Now, Sally. Sarah, damn. Sarah, would you like to tell us what it is that's upset you like this?
No.
You're too upset?
Yes.
Right, Sarah's too upset even to talk about what it is that's upset her. That's how upset she is. Would it be all right if I told the viewers what it is that's upsetting you?
No.
Right, well, you can see for yourselves that Sarah is immensely upset. So upset that she won't even let me tell you on her behalf what it is that's upsetting her. I think I can, however, give you the very barest details.
You can't.
Right. No, absolutely not. The thing is, they're probably all a bit curious to know what it is that's upsetting you now, and, you know, I'd be letting them down if I didn't tell them something.
No, you can't.
Okay. So I can't even...
No. What are you doing? Will you tell me what's upsetting you? No. Good.
Well, I mean, you told me not to, so I wouldn't.
Right.
What? I wasn't doing anything.
I trusted you.
Well, good. I'm glad, because, you know, I trusted you.
Trust.
Well, I think she's gone upstairs, so... Basically, I can tell you that what happened was, she was...